Driving traffic to your blog. Niche selection and audience understanding. Identify a specific niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will help attract a targeted audience. Research your audience's needs and pain points to create relevant and valuable content.
SEO Optimization. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. On-page SEO. Optimize your blog posts with keywords in the title, headers, meta descriptions, and image alt tags. Ensure your content is well structured and easy to read. Technical SEO. Ensure your blog has fast load times, mobile optimization, and a secure HTTPS connection.
Content creation and consistency. High-quality content. Focus on creating in-depth, original, and engaging content that provides value to your readers. Content calendar. Maintain a regular publishing schedule to keep your audience engaged and returning for more.
Social media promotion is key. Leverage social platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest to share your content and engage with your audience. Use visual content like infographics and videos to increase engagement and shares.
Email marketing is incredibly effective. Build an email list by offering lead magnets such as free ebooks, checklists, or webinars. Send regular newsletters with links to your latest blog posts and exclusive content to encourage repeat visits.
Guest posting and backlink building are essential strategies. Write guest posts for reputable blogs in your niche to gain exposure and backlinks. Engage in collaborations and partnerships with other bloggers and influencers to expand your reach. Community engagement. Participate in online forums and communities relevant to your niche. Respond to comments on your blog and social media to build relationships and encourage discussions. Monetizing your blog.
Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services relevant to your niche and earn commissions on sales made through your affiliate links. Choose affiliate programs that align with your audience's interests and needs. Display advertising can be a great way to monetize your blog. Use advertisement networks like Google AdSense, Media.net, or Ezoic to display ads on your site. And remember to optimize ad placements and formats to maximize click-through rates without compromising user experience. Sponsored posts and reviews offer another excellent monetization avenue. Partner with brands to create sponsored content or product reviews. It's crucial to ensure transparency with your audience by clearly disclosing sponsored content. Digital products and services. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or printables related to your niche. Offer services such as consulting, coaching, or freelance writing to leverage your expertise. Membership or subscription models. Offer premium content or resources through a membership or subscription service. Provide exclusive access to members-only forums, webinars, or downloadable content. Donations and crowdfunding. Enable donations through platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee for readers who want to support your work. Launch crowdfunding campaigns for specific projects or initiatives related to your blog.
Success in blogging requires a combination of strategic content creation, audience engagement, and multiple monetization methods. Consistency, patience, and continuous learning are key to building a profitable and sustainable blog.